So how to use a ratchet strap? Let's do it. Take the long end, lock it in, pull it across what you want to tie down. All right. And we've reached this corner where we took the ratchet strap and we lock it in. It might come off in a second, but we're going to get it situated. So here's the end of your ratchet, right here, the opening. You're going to route this through all the way through like that. You're just catching it from front to back, and that's what it's going to look like. You're just going to route it through. You see that? Now you're going to pull it tight. We're going to pull it tight. We're going to pull it tight. We're going to start ratcheting. Just tighten down. And that's it. It locks in place. So I just wrapped this around here and tied it in a little knot, okay? And I can just pull this and it'll come loose. But we're just carrying these boards. I don't want them to sling out. So they'll stay in there now. Just like that. If you like the video, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.